Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to rotate your computer or laptop screen in Windows 10 using a keyboard. So if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to rotate your screen, you can rotate it 90 degrees all the way around, so you can have it upside down, to the right, to the left, or as it is. And to do this, the keyboard shortcut, you need to hold down Control, hold down Alt, and then the arrow keys, if you press them, it determines which direction the screen rotates. So if I hold down Control, Alt, and press left, it goes to the left. If I hold Control, Alt, and press right, it goes to the right. If I hold Control, Alt, and down, it's going to go upside down. And if I hold Control, Alt, and press the up key, it's going to go back to normal. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there will be a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.